Planning a trip to Washington, D.C. and wondering what to do? You've landed at the right place. We're about to embark on a journey, exploring the top 10 must-see spots in the heart of America. Well, you're in luck, because we're about to count down the top 10 things to do in the nation's capital. Starting at number 10, immerse yourself in the world-class Smithsonian museums. This iconic institution is the largest museum, education, and research complex in the world. From the origins of man at the Natural History Museum to the future of space exploration at the Air and Space Museum, the Smithsonian offers a journey through time like no other. A hub of knowledge and discovery, it's a must-visit for anyone seeking culture, history, and inspiration. You could spend an entire day here and still not see everything. Coming in at number 9, take a stroll down the National Mall. This iconic stretch of green in the heart of Washington, D.C. houses monumental treasures like the Washington Monument, the Lincoln Memorial, and the U.S. Capitol. It's a living testament to the nation's history and a must-visit for every traveler. You can spend a whole day just marveling at these testaments to American history and the ideals of freedom and democracy. Remember to bring your camera because the views are truly spectacular. At number 8, don't miss out on a tour of the U.S. Capitol. This iconic building is steeped in history and plays a central role in the nation's government. Here, you'll find the meeting place of the United States Congress, where critical decisions are made that shape the country. This architectural marvel is not just a feast for the eyes, but a testament to the enduring spirit of American democracy. So step inside and experience the heartbeat of a nation. It's not just a building, it's a symbol of American democracy. Number 7 on our list, make sure to visit the charming neighborhood of Georgetown. This historic district tempts with its beautifully preserved architecture that takes you back in time. Whether it's a leisurely stroll along the picturesque waterfront or a shopping spree at the quaint boutique stores, Georgetown never disappoints. And of course, no trip is complete without savoring a sweet delight from the famous Georgetown cupcake. Bask in the vibrant atmosphere and let the Georgetown charm work its magic on you. Enjoy a cupcake from Georgetown Cupcake and take in the vibrant atmosphere. Coming in at number 6, spend a day at the National Zoo. This captivating location is more than just a zoo. It's a haven for endangered species, an educational hub, and a research center. From the awe-inspiring giant pandas to the majestic lions, there's a world of wildlife to explore. Kids and adults alike will be thrilled by the interactive exhibits and the chance to learn about conservation efforts. It's a great place for families, and the best part is, it's free. Halfway through our list at number 5, indulge in Washington, D.C.'s food scene. A melting pot of cultures, D.C. offers a smorgasbord of flavors to explore. From the bustling food trucks offering quick bites to the authentic international cuisine in diverse neighborhoods, there's a taste for every palate. And for those seeking a more refined experience, D.C. is home to several Michelin-starred restaurants. So, whether you're a foodie or just a casual diner, the city's culinary landscape is a feast for the senses. Remember, calories don't count on vacation. At number 4, immerse yourself in the National Gallery of Art. This renowned institution is a treasure trove of masterpieces, housing a vast collection that spans centuries and continents. From the exquisite European paintings to the fascinating modern art, there's something for everyone. It's more than just a gallery. It's a journey through art history, a place where creativity and culture meet. The National Gallery of Art is a testament to the transformative power of art. Whether you're an art enthusiast or not, it's a must-visit. Coming in at number 3, take a tour of the iconic White House. This symbol of American leadership is steeped in history and architectural grandeur. As you wander through its hallowed halls, you'll witness where momentous decisions have been made. Expect to see the East Room, the State Dining Room, and the Oval Office, among others. To secure your spot, request tickets through your member of Congress up to 3 months in advance. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience you won't want to miss. Almost at the top, at number 2, visit the majestic Lincoln Memorial. This monumental tribute to Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, stands as a symbol of unity, strength, and wisdom. Built almost a century ago, its rich history and grandiose architecture make it a must-see. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or someone simply looking for an iconic selfie backdrop, the Lincoln Memorial won't disappoint. It's more than just a landmark. It's a testament to a pivotal moment in American history. It's truly an awe-inspiring sight. And now, the number one thing to do in Washington, D.C., explore the Tidal Basin. Awash with beauty, the Tidal Basin is a sight to behold. Imagine thousands of cherry blossom trees, their petals dancing in the breeze, painting the landscape in shades of pink and white. Monuments standing tall, their grandeur reflected in the shimmering waters. Each step around the basin is a step through history, a journey through nature's artistry. It's the perfect place to end your DC adventure. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Washington, D.C. From the Smithsonian museums to the Tidal Basin, this city is brimming with history, culture, and excitement. We hope you found this guide helpful. Safe travels and enjoy your trip to Washington, D.C.